Hi, fifth grade. We're going to be going over the solutions for lesson 85 of grammar. You need your lesson, you need something to correct with, and you need your book. We're starting on page 455. Number 1 is rapport. Number 2 is subversion. Number 3 is happiness. Number 4 is guilty. Number 5 is akin. Number 6 is plural. Number 7 is possessive. Number 8 is hers, H-E-R-S. Number 9 is best. Number 10 is third, plural. Number 11 is who. Number 12 is us. Number 13 is come. Number 15 is have, their. Number 15 is until. Number 16 is whose. Number 17 is Kim. Number 18 is houseflies, H-O-U-S-E-F-L-I-E-S. Number 19, we're going to combine our two sentences using an appositive. The Gila monster, comma, Arizona's biggest lizard, comma, is the only poisonous lizard in the United States. Who knew? Number 20 is a compound sentence. Number 21, subject. Number 22, we have two prepositional phrases. The first one is in California's Humboldt Bay. Humboldt Bay is the object. The second is by H.D. Bendixson. H.D. Bendixson is the object. Number 23, we're going to rewrite our sentence. We're going to add periods, commas, capital letters, and quotation marks. So our sentence is Mrs. Bright, P.I., said we have not caught him, but we shall before summer. We need to capitalize Mrs. Bright, P.I., we. We need a period after P, after I, after summer. We need a comma after bright, after the period after I, after said, after him. We need quotation marks from we to summer. Number 24, the principal parts is forgiving, F-O-R-G-I-V-I-N-G, forgave, F-O-R-G-A-V-E, has forgiven, F-O-R-G-I-V-E-N. Number 25 is me. Number 26, we're going to rewrite our sentence. We're going to add capital letters, periods, commas, and quotation marks. Our sentence is, yes, I know the song, I've been working on the railroad. We need to capitalize I, yes, I've been working railroad. We need a comma after yes. We need a period after railroad. And we need quotation marks from I've to railroad. Number 27, we're going to rewrite our letter, adding periods, commas, and capital letters. My dear Ms. Who, get plenty of rest, exercise, and fresh air. Warm regards, Katie did it, RN. You need to capitalize. My, Mrs. Who, get, warm, Katie did it, RN. You need a comma after who, rest, exercise, regards, did it. You need a period after Ms., air, RN. Number 28, we need to diagram the simple subject and simple predicate of each clause in the following compound sentence. Into the room bursts Bad Check, yet few recognize him, for he has grown a beard. We have three subjects and predicates in this sentence. We have bad check bursts. Few recognize he has grown. Number 29, we are going to diagram the sentence. Has bad check become the caretaker of Mr. Knothead's riches? In this sentence, nope, there we go. Bad check is the subject. Has become is the predicate. It's a linking verb. It's linking to the predicate nominative caretaker. Caretaker is limited by the adjective the, and it's described using the prepositional phrase of Mr. Knothead's riches. Of is the preposition. Riches is the object of the preposition. Mr. Knothead's is a possessive adjective describing riches. This is what your diagram should look like. And number 30, we're going to diagram the sentence. Did the pretentious billionaire, Mr. Knothead, assign bad check a new task of tremendous importance? This one is a little more complicated. All right, and I hope all of you can see that. Billionaire is the subject. The pretentious are adjectives, the limiting, pretentious, descriptive, modifying billionaire. Mr. Knothead is the appositive. Did assign is the predicate. It's an action verb. The direct object is task. The indirect object is bad check. Task is limited by a, modified and described with the adjective new. And then the prepositional phrase of tremendous importance is modifying task. Of is the preposition. Importance is the object of the preposition. Tremendous is a descriptive adjective modifying importance. I know that the writing is really small, so you might not be able to see that, but there are the printed solutions on Jupyter. All right, I hope that was helpful. I will see you guys here later.